Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to use the new and improved adhesive template for a sticker job. So in Corebridge, you're going to want to have a sticker job open, and what you're going to do first is come over here to the farm and then templates and go ahead and double click on LF adhesive template, and it will only be the latest revision of the template in this folder. So once that opens, it's going to look a little something like this. So the first thing to note is going to be on the layers side. You're going to have these different layers over here on the right. Make sure that stickers is visible and the other main layers are not visible. You can see that when you make stickers visible, the sub layers are also visible. So we're just going to click on design here, and what we're going to do now is we're going to change the artboard size to match the desired sticker size, and we're going to figure out what that size is over here in the product name in Corebridge. So we got 21.6 wide by 4.5 tall. So doing a Shift O, which is the artboard tool, I'll do it again. We're going to go ahead up into the width, and we're going to do 21.6, and if we hit tab, it'll go over to the height, and then we will plug in 4.5, and you can hit tab again, and you can see that it changes the artboard size. One thing to note is that you always want to have your reference point up here set to the top middle reference point, and what that's going to do is keep this red equal sticker shape in its place every time. So once you set the size of the artboard, we're going to come over here to the artboards tab, and we're going to fill out the information for the file name. So first we're going to plug in the product quantity, so I'm just going to copy this 50 here and just go ahead and replace quantity with 50. Next, we are going to plug in the order number and product, and that can be found in the upper right-hand corner of Corebridge. So we're just going to select the order number, come in, and we'll replace this first set of zeros with the order number. And then dash is going to be the product number. So in this case, there's only one product, but there could be multiple products in other orders. So in this case, we're just going to plug 1. Next, we need to replace the customer name. So again, in Corebridge, we're just going to select the customer's name from the upper left here, copy it, come down, select name, and do a Control-V to paste. And that's it for step 1. Stay tuned for step 2. Thanks for watching.